WhyHunger, the New York-based nonprofit, helps those in need all around the United States find food. To achieve their mission, they required a flexible, centralized call center that would provide clear data about incoming calls. Before partnering with VPS, WhyHunger had adopted a phone platform that wasn't meeting the needs of their team or the people they serve. Calls were regularly being dropped. Poor sound quality made it difficult to converse and provide assistance. There was a lack of reliable metrics, and costs for unused services wasted valuable dollars to support their mission. It was clear that WhyHunger needed a more cost-effective and customizable self-service call center for both its hotline and annual Hungerthon phone drive. With the implementation of Twilio Flex, Vision Point Systems leveraged interactive voice response to create a simple automated response system for callers to look up the locations of food banks in their area, created agent skills to ensure callers were routed to the right person with the right capabilities, programmed voicemails to ensure the community always felt served, built custom surveys so that WhyHunger could begin to capture demographic data on their calls, and deployed Twilio Insights so WhyHunger could better understand their contact center metrics. These powerful features of Twilio Flex streamlined the process of connecting those in need every day, while simultaneously giving WhyHunger an instantly scalable call center platform to run their annual Hungerthon. And with Twilio Flex's flexible pricing model, WhyHunger only needed to pay for the agents and telecommunications capacity as it's needed, avoiding unnecessary costs for unused phone lines or agent seats. In 2021, after WhyHunger implemented Twilio Flex, the 36th Hungerthon brought in over $920,000 to help solve hunger in America. Hungerthon reached listeners via Odyssey New York, SiriusXM, and iHeartMedia New York. Celebrity supporters like Bruce Springsteen, Yoko Ono, and Tiffany Haddish helped promote the cause. The new call center implemented by VPS enables not only the WhyHunger team to save on costs and more efficiently manage their call intake, but helps those in need around the U.S. find their closest food resource faster and easier.